Argentinians visiting, Argentinians taking photos, they're photographers, everything, all that there. But the
Fica bem grudadinho.
about the end of the playa. They were jumping off. They were jumping off his boat. Oh, we're going back. We are lucky. Check it out. And it has all my stuff. It has my passport. I had a watch. I had AirPods. I had perfume. So that is lucky. The terminal's right over there. I don't know if you can see the bus in the background, but so lucky. I'm lucky it was the last stop, because if I would have got off any other place, then it's other problems. They kept it in there for me. I waited and just had to sign to take it out, and now we can enjoy the trip. So we are blessed. Let's go get some food now, as I can see a restaurant over here, so let's get into it. So looks like I want to try this place real quick. Police stop and balls and everyone's going crazy. Want to get in here and get some local food. We like the fish. They have fish, frango, batata. Let's go see what it's like. Wait. It's like self-service, so let's see. So let's see what it's like. We're so happy that we got our passport now so we can enjoy it, so let's check it out. That was gonna be the biggest disaster ever. Anyways, we got a self-service place right now. Ponte de Amizade, which is basically right beside where the bus is, and basically it's a self-service 25 reais, which is like $4.50, something like there. We got 2 carnes, potatoes, rice, and she's gonna get her food now, so let's check out what she gets, and then let's eat this and then do like a little lap of the town, check out whatever beaches there is. It's a little overcast today, as you can see, but for the most part we are lovely and we are blessed. So everything is good. I got no clothes, I got nothing. I just came so unprepared, but like I said, for the least we have got our passport, and we're gonna drop this stuff off and be extremely careful. I left my AirPods, my charger. Jesus, I'm so lucky. Opa. So lucky. It's crazy. Anyways, that's enough of the extremities and talking bullshit about what I almost could have lost. God is good, so we're up now again and gonna enjoy the day. We had a crazy night last night. We were out drinking, and like I said, it's a little bit more quieter today. We gotta get more t-shirts because we are looking rough. So let's see what she gets to eat, and then let's get it moved. Yes, you might say I made a mistake by bringing sand to the beach, but I don't really care, to be honest. I'll get that whenever I want to get that. So I just like coming on a company sometimes, so I don't gotta go looking, because sometimes you just find nothing that's good for you. But for the most part, that's the vibe right now. She's got her food.
Não corri muito, só um pouquinho.
Y para mí. Okay. If you're not dressed like that coming to Brazil, then you're gonna get robbed. Make sure you buy a Flamengo or a local football t-shirt and you'll be fine. As of right now, we're going back to drop our stuff off and then go check out the beaches. But just give you like a little look. It's extremely cheap. We went into the supermarket yesterday. You can get, I don't want to promote any substances, but you can get substances there for literally 35 reais, which is like literally less than $6 for a big bottle, let's just say. So check it out when you come here. But as of right now, they're trying to get the electricity fixed. And yeah, so let's go drop our stuff back. I'll show you what my little apartment's looking like, and then we'll go to head to the beach then. Right now we are walking to the beach. We just left our apartment. Guys are working over there. Vibes is good. We got to get a tour today as well, so let's see how much they're going to charge for that there for tomorrow, because the weather's great. Let's check. Just give me rubbish for no reason. Let's check out the beach right now, so let's go. Vambora. We just arrived to Praia dos Anojos. Now check out this for a freaking vibe. Look at this. It's like the side where you get all your tours and stuff over there, and these are all the boats basically coming back from the tourism island. We are going to see if we can get one of those done probably tomorrow, but as of right now I want to show you basically the 2 main beaches here in Arraial do Cabo. As of right now, we just got out of like a freaking messy fight there. Now somebody beat up the woman on the beach or whatever, and we had to jump in. But check it out, it's the vibes right now. Everybody's coming back from their tours, everybody's enjoying the water. Super nice. We have one other beach, Praia Grande, and this here one is like a little quieter one, green waters, but still beautiful. As of right now, we are going to go back to chill out with her woman because she's mad that I left her to make videos. They got Coco Locos, basically you can get drinks on the beach and everything out there. And the vibes is excellent. Everybody's in such a good mood. It's a nice place to get away from Rio. It is safer, even though you have the odd freaking homeless person doing crazy stupid shit or whatever, because that is the life that people don't really have that much money over here. Also, like, even though they're outside of the zone than Rio and Sao Paulo, but that's how it is. There's like the group of women that got beat up over here, which just felt really bad because they came with 2 kids or whatever, but it is what it is. As of right now, the kids are jumping off over here and enjoying the water, so let's go check out, let's go see what they're up to. They're in the boat or whatever of this guy on the beach or whatever, so he's gonna come in and basically beat their ass. They were jumping off his boat. Malucos.
Todo ano você vem pra cá?
Hã?
Todo ano você vem pra cá?
Sim.
Que é bom demais.
Vou passar como um mês aqui em Brasil. São Paulo, Rio, aqui também e Fortaleza. Aham.
Aqui é um paraíso.
Paraíso?
Isso aqui é um paraíso.
Aham. Ah, lá mesmo.
Tava quentinho.
Check this out, we are looking burnt.
Por causa do...
Fala.
Por causa do... Não, do sudoeste.
Oxe, moleques. Oxe. Moleque. Isso. We're chilling with the freaking kids right now, check it out. Isso. Alright, so you can't see, but we're gonna show you tomorrow that Arraial. We're gonna show you tomorrow that basically we got a boat tour and it costs basically 80 reais. So we're gonna show you that tomorrow. Right now we're gonna go to Praia Grande, so let's bounce and get away from this mess. La bunda. Right now we are leaving the other beach right now. This is like a little walk in the town. So many nice little places you can stop off and get something. And that beach was so nice and calm, greenish water, and it's a lot quieter. We're going to like the main beach right now, which is like Praia Grande, and we're gonna see what the difference is, the water nicer or whatever, show you around basically. Bom dia. We are going to basically take a tour right now. We are in Arraial do Cabo. Yes, we got outside of Rio right now, and we're going to get a tour and see. It is a really safe place. There's a lot of locals here that come and visit and get out of Rio that have a little bit of money to get out. It's like 4 hours away. As of right now, we're walking through the local neighborhood, and I don't have a clue where I'm going, but we got to go to the port, and basically we got a tour, which I'm going to explain the cost and everything. But as of right now, let's take a little walk and let's see what we get up to today in Arraial do Cabo. Right now we are by, there's like this strip right down by the beach where everybody's going, but we got to go straight across to basically get our tour. But that's the vibes right now. Like I said, it's quiet, it's not busy. Come here if you really want to get away from the craziness of Rio, so you do. As of right now, we gotta be there for 10:30, and then we board at 11. Now there's a little hidden fee that nobody tells you, which is basically you gotta pay 15 reais entrance fee to get into the island. So right now we're gonna look for a bank as well to see if we can take out money and see what the exchange rate is. See if they try to rob me, so let's find that out together. Alright, right now we are outside the tour. This is the one we got right now, which is Blue Ocean. Now my price may not be your price. Basically I paid 80, they want me to pay 100 and something, but then we negotiated, so just negotiate. You probably get for 70 or 60 even if you speak Portuguese, but I said 80 was alright, so we're gonna show you what that includes. Okay, so let's go. So just so you know, when you come here, basically there will be so many tours and tour people busy trying to sell you stuff. It all depends on the price, depends on the boat. So don't just think that, you know, everybody should be paying like 80 or 70 reais, because some people have 2-story boats. Like the one we're on today includes alcohol and stuff out there, so it's like you gotta be smart, look at it, let them show you pictures of what the boat's like and see if it's worth it for you, because everybody's different. We're just waiting here right now and we gotta leave at 11, so I think we're like the only ones on the boat. Nosotros está solito, no? No hay otra persona. Bueno, so like I said, all the boats go from under here. I'm gonna show you that little port or whatever. It's super it's super nice, but as you can see, people are just arriving right now for the boat tours. They brought their own stuff, but we're gonna drink and stuff. Alright, so we have just left like control or whatever. They take you into this like little zone basically to check you in, which is whatever, to be honest with you. It's not really that serious. They give you another one for the aquarium, which is basically the island entrance fee, so you don't pay tax. So right now we're gonna go wait by the palm trees and then get on the boat right here, as you can see. It's not really that busy today, so I'm hoping like we're not gonna be stuck with a bunch of people, so let's find out. Let's get on the boat. I don't know which one we're getting on right now, so let's see. We have made it on the boat right now. Check us out. They changed their boat. We were supposed to get on like Blue Aquarium, no, Blue Ocean, but they gave us the aquarium one, as you can see. So right now we're waiting to leave and get the drink started. As you can see, all the people are just arriving on the boat. There's a little bar. We got our stuff to swim, and everything is included. So we'll get into the prices up after in a second, but just right now, let's get started side to side. It's so choppy, but we're enjoying it. She's terrified for her life, but it is what it is. We're not getting drinks. We thought we were getting drinks included, but we ain't getting shit. Hopefully the freaking sun decides to come out, but as of right now, we are moving right now, as you can see where we're at. There's the vibes here. Basically, you got like little rock sculptures and stuff out there. We were supposed to get a 2-decker boat. They lied. We're supposed to get a limited alcohol. They lied, but it is what it is. I don't give a fuck anyway. It's cheap. It was cost me $80 per person, which is basically like $12 a person for stopovers, stop on the beaches, and yeah, music and whatever. So it's not even that bad per person, so I don't really care. But check it out. First stop, and we're looking at somebody's freaking Yarl's box. Check it out. I don't know, everybody's taking pictures of this rock with a freaking hole in the middle of it. There's not even a cave or anything, but that's what it is. Let's go to the beach. We are arriving in the first beach. Check it out. Green beach here in Praia da Fora. Crazy, it looks so nice. Let's go check it out. Let's go check out this place, get some pictures, but the water looks beautiful.
Fica bem grudadinho isso.
We're about to enter a playa. Check it out.
Quanto mais grudadinho, melhor.
Let's go. Now we're in the vibes of freaking traveling. Check us out. A bunch of crazy people. Anyway, let's check out this green beach and let's see if we enjoy it. It is hot over here. This beach is beautiful. Check out all the bundas all around. Everybody's taking pictures here. People got Brazilian bikinis. Vibes is good. We're trying to get our pictures right now. We're just enjoying the vibes right now. Everybody else is like screaming picture. It's all Argentinians. Argentinians visiting. Argentinians taking photos. They're photographers. Everything, all that there. But the vibes are amazing. Check out the background. It's crazy. We're getting drinks included. I thought we didn't, but it's alright. Alright, check it out. So this whole trip costs freaking 80 reais plus maybe $2 for the taxi to get on the island, but for the most part included the drinks, whatever you want, food, stop over the island. Now we get to stop in the water, busy enjoy, so vibe is crazy good. So let's get in and enjoy and get some. Alright, we are waved right now. We're about to set sail. We have had our drinks and we are chilling right now, so people are just freaking chilling out here in the water. Vibes is good. Listen, to be honest, for freaking 80 reais, you can't really go wrong, to be honest with you. Definitely recommend it. The name of the tour is Blue Ocean Agency, so if you ever come to Arraial or Cabo, just go straight to them and try bargain for, because they're going to try upcharge you a little bit. So we're going back. We're going back to port right now. We have like 8 of these in us and we are going to get something going crazy right now, so let's check it out. I am absolutely waved right now. We got our female on the back. We're about to go crazy, but we made our last stop. The girl lied. I thought it was going to be like a so-so trip or whatever, but we got 3 stops, 1 hour on a beach, and then now we're gonna party in this place now. It's fucking crazy. Like, this looks like a fucking crazy ass. Check out the views in the background there, look. Crazy. I see. This place is beautiful. It's got freaking turtles in the water and everything. It's crazy. Everybody's enjoying themselves right now. vibes is good. Nothing too crazy because there's families on the boat, but crazy nice. Alright, we arrived to one place. It's the best we could find right now. There was places on the beach and stuff out there, but this one cost 35 reais, and basically it's like village frango, which is basically chicken or whatever. I wanted grilled chicken, but they gave me like oven cooked chicken. We both got 2 plates. I'm gonna get this here and I'm gonna try to show you an apartment tour. I'm a mess right now, to be honest with you. Barely making this video, but it is what it is. So okay, we have arrived inside our secret house. As you can see, I couldn't even tell you where it is, to be honest, but it's like 10 minutes away from any beach. We got a little terrace over there, and right now we're going to enter this like little open space, as you can see. Moving down into the room. We're so fried right now, but it is what it is. Check it out.